name is Maithili. I am studying in UKG.
Dhanapita award winner from Karnataka.
Dhanapita award winners from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bende, Shivaram Karnam, Rasi Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokal, U.R. Narantamurthy, Girish Karnas, Chandrasekhar Kumar.
Planets of solar system.
Parents in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, March, April, May, June. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Classical dance form of India. Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. Kathakali, Kerala. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri, Manipur. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, Odisha. Satraya, Assam. Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh. Gandiya, Gujarat. Yashagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Kamlabarali, Vailat, Yamuna.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Kamasera Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golan Temple, Punjab. Kajura Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Somnath Temple, Gujarat. Akshardham, Delhi. Mahabodhi Temple, Bihar.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda Veda.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Kusanananda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Varadhi Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Ishtabha Singh, Chandrasekhar, T.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasavara, Deepavali, Mahasivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India. Uddabai Destu, Arnar Safari, Sutesa Kempalini, Radi Raksibai, Saruridi Naidu, Kastupa Gandhi, Vasnanti Devi, Itunari Chandama, Bega Akbar Mahal.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism.
District in Karnataka.
District in Karnataka: Baratkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarasnagar, Chikmagaluru, Chikballapura, Chittagurga, Dakshina Kannada, Devanagari, Gadarwad, Gadak, Assam, Haveri, Kalamuggi, Kolugu, Kolar, Koppalam, Mandya, Mysore, Ramanagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Indian monument.
Taj Mahal, Agra, Hampi Fort, Karnataka. Gate of India, Maharashtra. India Gate, New Delhi. Golden Temple, Punjab. Hawa Mahal, Rajasthan. Lotus Temple, New Delhi. Qutub Minar, New Delhi. Rasi So, Madhya Pradesh. Katapasiti, Agra. Hampi Fort, Karnataka. Gwalior Fort, Madhya Pradesh. Katapasiti, Agra. Hampi Fort, Karnataka.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaisakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwinam, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Panguna.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyanarayana Bose, Meena Saha, Pratibha Chandra Rai, Salim Ali, Homi J. Baba, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Bhagavan Das, M. Visvesvaraya. Subramanya Chandrasekhar.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Mayuamma, Maghoga Vasta, Makakai Nayaka, Itunari Chandamma, Begad Akbar Mahal.
Country and capital.
Country and capital: India, New Delhi. Rasi So, Muscat, Thailand, Bangkok. Pakistan, Islamabad. Afghanistan, Kabul. Nepal, Kathmandu. Bhutan, Thimphu. Sri Lanka, Colombo. USA, Washington. United Kingdom, London. Canada, Ottawa. France, Paris. Italy, Rome. Germany, Berlin. Indonesia, Jakarta. Japan, Tokyo. Kenya, Nairobi. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Oman, Muscat. Thailand, Bangkok. Qatar, Doha.
Union territories.
Union territories: Andaman, Nicobar, Nathanagar, Haveri, Daman, Diu, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Chandigarh.